the skies above are no longer silent. A sleek Predator has taken flight once, again. This is not just a fighter, it's a symbol of European air dominance. This is the Rafale, and it just shocked the world. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine, delta-wing, multirole fighter jet developed by Dassault Aviation. It's designed to handle air supremacy, ground attack, reconnaissance, and even nuclear strike missions. What sets it apart? Versatility, speed, precision. During recent test flights, the Rafale showcased its agility with brutal acceleration, tight turns, and precision weapon delivery. But this isn't just for show. The Rafale has seen real war zones. Libya, Syria, Iraq, Mali. In every operation, it proved not just reliable, but lethal. Let's talk tech. The Rafale carries the RBE-2, AA, ASA radar, Spectra electronic warfare suite, infrared search and track, RST system, and is compatible with Meteor, Mica, Scalp, and Exocet missiles. This isn't stealth, but it is smart, and it survives. Countries around the globe are lining up. India bought 36 Qatar, Egypt and Greece followed. Indonesia just signed a deal. Why? Because Rafale fills a gap that even stealth jets sometimes can't. It's rugged, export ready, and combat proven. As tensions rise in Europe and the Indo-Pacific, air superiority is no longer optional, it's survival, and the Rafale is France's answer to a shifting global threat map. It's not hype, it's here, and it's flying. Will the Rafale redefine modern aerial warfare, or be challenged by stealthier rivals like the F-35? The future of global combat could rest in the hands of this jet. Hit like, subscribe, and tell us, can Rafale hold the skies?